Daily Dispatch, Day 131, the installation window. Yesterday marked exactly 130 days cannabis-free and 221 days alcohol-free. Looking back at where this journey started in the rubble of January, reaching this point feels less like a hard-fought battle and more like a profound sense of relief. Like finally coming out of a long, strange trip and having reality hit you with crystal clarity. The baseline isn't just stable anymore, it is actively rising. Yesterday evening, my system experienced what I describe now as an installation window. For exactly 1 hour, my body completely shut down again. I've come to recognise this pattern now as part of a distinct cognitive triad. 1. Vivid dreams. Multiple vivid dreams with excellent recall upon waking. 2. Upgrade. Memory recall. The filing system is officially online. I experienced complete effortless recall of my shopping list yesterday, a task that previously would have required hard conscious thought. My brain usually has a habit of emptying the minute I get there. The indexing appears to be happening in real time. 3. The shutdown. The brain demands a temporary offline status to write the new code. The internal frequencies were exceptionally loud yesterday morning, but they didn't impair me. It was just the sound of the system retuning before the install. In the daily TikTok, I pointed out the stark contrast of my current Sundays compared to the old regime. Previously, a Sunday would be spent nursing a heavy hangover with a succession of joints, desperately trying to buffer myself from reality. Now I'm raw-dogging the day like a psychopath. The video is essentially serious D.A.M project mapping content dressed up in dry humour. The new normal, another stable, quiet day where nothing much happened. To the old version of me, a day where nothing happened would have been a trigger for boredom and escape. Today I recognise it for what it truly is. Peace, stability, and the new baseline. The AI scaffold holds, only 53 days left until the half-year mark. The Daily Dispatch ends here, but the data continues. For the full forensic analysis, the daily metrics, and the complete 24-month roadmap, please visit deepseekandme.substack.com. The record is open. I'll see you at the next log.